Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get out of your house when you're stuck in a room in Brookhaven. So on this particular house, there's this secret kind of room where it's actually kind of complicated to do. I think it could also be an escape room, but for instance, you're stuck and you cannot get out of the room. Creepy. Anyways, you're just going to select your I think it's this one. Wait, I actually don't remember. Okay, select home cams and just select go, and you'll be teleported outside of your house if you're stuck in that room. That's what I did. You can also teleport to other people's house, but just the front of it if if you cannot teleport to your own house. But I doubt it would not work. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.